your Hell Let Loose Vietnam is lagging and you're getting low FPS, maybe out of combat you're getting a decently high FPS and in combat it drops below half, or you're getting stuttering or a high FPS but it's still laggy, we'll fix this in just a few minutes. Start by going to your settings, video, reset all your settings to default by pressing R, then hit yes. This is especially important for anybody who did the playtest because some of the settings changed, and if you have the old values, it can break the game. The most expensive settings in here that you need to lower: mobile illumination quality, set this to low. Post-process quality, low. Shadow quality, low. Motion blur off, SSAO off. Hardware Lumen off as well. Next, for upscaling and latency, if you're on an Nvidia card, set DLSS to DLSS Mode quality. If you're on AMD, set your Image Reconstruction to TSR. Later on, the devs have said they're going to add FSR, so when they add that, use FSR instead for AMD. Low latency, set to on, then press F, that'll apply your settings, and try running a match again. If you're still having issues after changing the settings, next thing you can do is a quick clean driver install and clearing the shader cache. If you press the Windows key and type disk cleanup, run this, then check the DirectX shader cache and click cleanup system files. Let it run, hit OK, and delete files. In the description, I've left links to both the Nvidia drivers and AMD drivers. Update your graphics card drivers. This can make a huge difference. If you press the Windows key, type % local app data %, open up this folder, HLL Vietnam, saved, config, Windows, right-click game user settings, open with Notepad, and if you press Ctrl F, type frame, press enter twice to get the frame rate limit, and you could try setting this to your monitor refresh rate. If you have a 144 Hz monitor, set it to 144, 240, set it to 240, whatever it is, you can set your frame rate limit here, and sometimes that can help. And lastly, just right-click LLS Vietnam on Steam, Properties, Install Files, and verify integrity of game files to make sure you don't have any corrupted files. After that, you should be good to go. If you're still having issues, you might just need to wait for a patch from the devs.